Hey, it's Brandon Kickstarter PPC, and today I'm going to be showing you a really easy way you can take advantage of your competitors when they run out of stock. So let's jump straight into the video. Now, before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because we're going to be making a ton of Amazon PPC and FBA related content. You won't want to miss out on what's up and coming and what we've already uploaded. So feel free and check that out and subscribe to the channel. Now, I've got an example of an air conditioning unit up here, and this is on the UK marketplace, but it's relevant on all marketplaces. So as you can see, it's the 20th of July when I'm recording this video, and the quickest delivery time is between the 4th and 6th of August. Monday the 7th is free delivery. So that's a long time. That's really going to hamper on conversion rates. This person is not going to be doing so well in terms of conversion rates for any units they do sell. And this is because oversized items and, typically items in the US market take time in FC transfer to actually show up in available inventory. And in that time period, you're going to have sponsored brand video campaigns probably still running. So Amazon doesn't shut those off like they do with sponsored product campaigns. It's why we always put a budget cap when stuff goes out of stock. Make sure there's no in between on that. But it gives you the opportunity, if your competitor's in this situation, you want to bid aggressively. Kind of like what these guys have done. £300 for an air conditioning unit, and they've got low reviews, but at the moment, people are going to be looking at that, and they're going to see, okay, that's in a couple, 4 or 5 days, perfect. They don't want to wait 2 weeks for an order. People don't want to wait that long, so if you see this, and you want to be very careful, especially if you've got lower reviews or less star, keep an eye on the listing, see if it comes back available sooner. But it gives you time to potentially steal some of those sales off that competitor and try and overtake them on some of the sales volume and the rankings. If they haven't switched off their sponsored brand video campaigns, then you could potentially benefit from people going to that listing and then going straight to you. So there's still going to be traffic coming on potentially, and from previous organic rankings there, and you want to make sure you're benefiting from that. But when they come back in stock, that's going to change. So you want to make sure that you're keeping an eye on things, you're not overbidding for too long, but in the short run, if you're bidding quite high, you're dominating the search here, sponsored display, sponsored brand, for the product here, then you're going to be good. So if that's helpful, let me know in the comments. Let me know if you have any questions at all, and feel free contact us if you need help with your Amazon PPC. Our details are in the description below. So we do a free audit for anyone that contacts us that's interested in working with us. We also have a consulting package, so if you're interested in that, feel free and contact us below. And until the next video, hope you guys have a good one, and we'll see you then. Bye.